Alright, how's it going, guys? So we're gonna fix this garage vent. As you can see, mine needs to be fixed. I have this handy dandy. Can I see that filter? I bought this off of Amazon. What was it called? Kid. What was it called? It said it on there.
I wrapped it up.
Ugh. Okay, so I got this vent off Amazon. It's like 20 bucks. And you just have to measure it for the proper dimensions. It also comes with the screws in the back. I'll tell you what it's called. I'll look it up. Anyhow, you just slide it right in there. It's super easy, just like that. Just measure it to the size that you want, and then you'll have a brand new fixed garage vent. So, I mean, you could remove all of this. I think I'm just gonna push it down so it doesn't get in the way, or maybe it'll be a little trap for mice. And then just make sure you put a bunch of silicone back there. So let's get started on that. So before you put that up there, put a thick bead of caulking all around it. Make sure that you have enough. I might not have enough with this, but this is a leftover can of caulking that I had. Any kind of silicone caulking is fine. So I'm just gonna go, just don't move, don't move. This is so much easier with two hands. Anyhow, I'm just gonna put it on there, you can see. Just, start and go around. So 1 second. Kind of silicone all over this thing. Look at that. It's delicious. Tons of it all over the place. You want a lot. Maybe you don't need that much, but I'm gonna put a lot. And it's gonna go right in there, right there. Okay, I'm just waiting for electricity. As soon as I get electricity, I can get my drill and drill this and screw this in. Okay. Okay, so at this point, just get their vent and just go ahead and slide it in. All that delicious silicone will make a nice seal back there. Get your screws. It comes with this guy. And just put them right in there. Get your drill and then just drill it into place and you're done. Drill. Higher, kid, come on. Okay. The other side. Super easy. Okay, here it's in place. It's got a ton of silicone all back here, so that should make it nice and watertight. And it's got these screws right here that you can see, unfortunately, but whatever. It's a lot nicer looking than it was before. So, quick, easy fix. You can do this yourself. Save yourself a buck. Okay, so I want to replace this guy. As you can see, it needs to be replaced. So since these are popping out so much, I actually want to cut them back. I got these just these cutters, these metal, whatever you call them, pliers, I don't know. Anyhow, you get these guys right here and you just cut this stuff back. Oops. Oh, this is so much more difficult with one hand. I don't know why. Just twist, comes right out. Anyhow, just like that, and off it comes. So, I'll show you guys when I'm done. Okay, there you go. With that technique, I took out just about all of that screen mesh. It's all right there, all crappy. So, I'm gonna go ahead and get, where are you? It's right here. I'm getting this guy right here. And this is just gonna go right in here. You wanna make sure that you do a dry fit first. That's what I'm doing right there. It's just gonna go right in there like that. Yeah, just like that. Oh, that's what it's called. It's an Easy R vent. Easy placement vent. Yeah, foundation, subfloor, soffit, garage, whatever. But yeah, that's it. They're easy little steps. 3 easy installation steps. Remove old screen, leaving old, well, there you go, you can read it. But yeah, that's all you gotta do. So I went ahead and removed the old screen. Now let's go ahead and install this guy. Oh, first put silicone all around the edge. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. And it comes with the screws already.